Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. This is going to be a little container that I'll show you here in a second. Well, I open it. Well, let's see what we got. I have an upside down little storage box. And check this out. Sorry, I didn't stuck to it. And this, I have this right here, so I can store my flammable things in it. So this is a flammable kind of box. Comes with a little grounding one there, which is good so you don't get sparks, and keys to lock it. Like I have things here like acetone, like you probably don't want that sitting there. Well, that one doesn't even have a cover on it. I'll show you this one here. Does it fit? Haha, there we go. Put the acetone in there. That one I'm not going to turn on the side because it doesn't have a lid on it. But we can close it up and I can lock it with the keys right there. I can even put an extra lock on it if I wanted to, and then it just becomes super handy and accessible. And this is a nice solid box that I can lock up and keep away from people that shouldn't be having it. If I wanted to put some valuables or something like that in there, or put some good fire resistant kind of thing for it. So very nice. Thumbs up from me. I like it.